Everyone, today I'm going to solve an Excel assignment. It's YO22 Excel Chapter 11 PS1 New Investment Analysis 1.0. Its project description is given here. I will read its project description. Filani, a small manufacturer of custom clothing and other items for cat, is considering the purchase of new building as a part of long-term strategic plan. You have been asked to conduct an analysis of the loan as well as investment analysis using the NPV function based on the estimated series of cash flow generated by the new building and required rate of return 21% for determining cash flow. The calculation will be from the bank representative. That's our project description. We will move to our first step. Our first step is start Excel and download and open the file name Excel chapter 11 PS1 new investment analysis. Grader has automatically added your last name to the beginning of the file name. Save the file where you are sorting the file. I have already opened my file. That's our file. That's our complete file you see. So now we will move to our second step. In the second step, he is asking on the building analysis worksheet in the cell C5. Calculate the amount to finance by subtracting the starting capital to the purchase of pricing of building. So we will go to the cell C5. We will put is equal to starting price. He is asking to calculate the amount of finance by subtracting the starting capital from the purchase price of the building. So is equal to purchase price of the building is C2 minus starting capital is C3. So our result will be that one 9200 92 $500. That's our results. That's our second step. In our third step, what is he asking? The payment amount returned by the PMT function includes principals and interest but no taxes, reserve payment, private mortgage insurance, or fee that may be associated with the loan. No fee will be considered at that time. In the cell C10, calculate the end of period quarterly payment amount using the PMT function. Be sure that the result is displayed as a positive number. So we will go to the cell C10. Here you need to use the PMT function. We will start our bracket. That's our PMT function. Our rate will be in the cell C6. We need to find the quarterly rate, so we will divide this one rate by 4, though now it's quarterly rate. That one is the year rate. And what is the other thing? NPER, number of terms. We have this one 7 years. 7 year we need to divide this one into quarters. So we will multiply this one 4. So it will be our quarters, 28 quarters. While the our capital payment value or capital amount is the cell C3. No, it's in the amount to be financed in the cell C5. So that's our formula. We will press enter. It's given us a negative value, so he tells us to make sure to make this one as a positive value. So we will start this formula with the negative sign or multiply this one formula with the negative 1. So we will get a positive value. Now it's our positive value. That's our result in the cell C10. That's our results. So that's our third step. We will now move to our fourth step. Our fourth step is the cumulative interest function can be used to calculate the amount of interest paid over a specific number of periods, such as quarterly, annually, or for the whole term of the loan. In the cell C11, calculate the cumulative interest that will be paid on the loan for all 28 end of the period quarterly payments. Format as a currency. Be sure the result is displayed as a positive number. So we will go to the cell C11 and use the cumulative interest payment. So we will use is equal to cumulative interest payment. So our rate is in the cell C6. We need to divide this one by 4. So we will get our result as a yearly payment. And what is the our NPER, number of years multiplied by, you can multiply it here by 4 or a period per year also in the cell C8. So our formula will be correct. What is our status amount financed is the in the cell C5, and what is the year start period? Our start period is the 1. What is the our ending period? Our ending period is in the 28. So we will multiply C7 multiplied by C8. So our result will be 28. And what is the type? Our type is the end of the period. So we will close our bracket and press enter. It's giving us a negative value. He tells us at the end, be sure that result is displayed as a positive number. So we will multiply this one by a negative one. So we will get our positive value, and he asks us to format this one as a currency. So we will just go to the here in the number, we will launch out the number format, and here we will select the as a currency and press OK. So that is our result in the cell C11 by cumulative interest formula. In the cell C13, calculate the total amount paid by adding the amount financed to the total cumulative interest. So we will go to our cell C13. In the cell C13, we will put is equal to, and what is he asking? Add the loan amount financed to the total cumulative interest. So total amount financed in the cell C5 plus total cumulative interest in the cell C11, and we will press enter. So we have got our value in the cell C13. That's our fifth step. In our sixth step, what is he asking? The net present value function or NPV function is used to determine the value of an investment by analyzing a series of future incoming and outgoing cash flow that are expected to occur over the life of the investment. In the cell F13, calculate the net present value of the investment using the NPV function. Format the format as a currency with the two decimal places if necessary. So we will go to the cell F13. That's our cell F13. We will use NPV function. And what is our rate? Our rate is in the cell F3. And what is our values? Our values in the cell F6 to F12. That's our values. We will close our bracket, and what is at the end, calculate the net present value investment using the NPV function. So and we will add this one to also, here we will add this one as which value, F5. So our result will be that amount 273,241, format as a currency with the two decimal places. So if we will press control button, control, that's also in the now in already in the currency format. That's our sixth step. We have total 13 steps in this assignment. I have performed 6 steps in this video. If you want to know the remaining steps of this assignment, or if you don't understand the steps I have performed in this video, you can contact me on my WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video. Or you can contact me through my email address. My email address is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video. Or you can scan the WhatsApp barcode which is given at the start of the video and at the end of the video. And if you need help in PowerPoint assignment, Word assignment, assess assignments, or Word assignment, you can contact me also. And if you need help in any online course like computer science, business management, business and math, business and finance, human resource management, history, English, literature, nursing, psychology, statistics, information technology, applied science, you can contact me also. I will show you the complete solution of this file, how it will look when you complete this one file. That is the final form of this assignment. It's opening now. You see, when you complete this one file, this will look like that. This will be like that. These formulas, it consists too much formulas like that. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel to get a new video updates.